In the present time, it's Jack September 24 May 2025. We're here for a 9th birthday celebration in DJ Ched. Slappermans, buy and buy. Let's get to hear Banbatini about the Ched, how they're feeling about the event. And we're here for the good time, for the good vibes. Dango, let's get the show rolling, man. Let's go. With the man of the day, the man of the hour, DJ Ched. Dayam, can you tell me Live Vision? Ingaga, Namhlan is the 9th celebration.
Yeah.
How do you feel? Can you take us through the journey?
I'm feeling happy, excited.
Yeah.
The way it started, I think 2014.
Yeah.
Kala kwenye ndawo kuthiwa kuse Hawaii ezolisho zone 8. Yabo. Kuthanda umculo, yabo. I felt like I should celebrate myself through music, yabo.
Yeah.
So I organized my first event and ever since yenzeka annual. Yeah.
Okay. So what's different kulona unyaka than all ezinye minyaka?
Akona different ngathi. Kuchintsha abantu, the lineup, the DJs.
Yeah.
I like the vision A1 is to take abantu through a journey yomculo.
Yeah.
Bas pakele experience your music. I think in the church is just the DJs, yabo, who change and giving amalight amancane a chance to platform ezinjeni.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yeah.
So Brian, can you tell me ke nabona enye omnye umuntu opostile ngazomshene egama ba akho macheri ngumojisa kukho nje ikhonman zodwa. How did you come up with the lineup?
Honestly, lineup mna ilene nithethayo. Firstly ndiyacheckisha last year bekhobani, so I need to bring abonye buso bucha, yabo. Andiyenzi nga gender. I remember I think 2019 kwakho Major, and there was the only guy. There was Lady V, there was Dilibele, but I think Amandombe order. So I suba kumochi, so whatever. Kufaka nje line up and ask by his direction the team. Yeah.
So last question, Bram. Ungathini like umuntu oimpose leyo le celebration okanye mandithi kwabantu abazileyo apha le celebration?
Uzakonwaba namhlanje. Uzakonwaba namhlanje. But DJ uyaqala ngo6 Neutral Wax. Music experience. Uzakonwaba through music, the vibes nje. Kuyaqalwa ngo.
Dayam, masingayenzi into lento. Masibulele abantu wetyala masonwabeni.
So
Happy birthday, Ched!